Dingoes have lived in Australia for thousands of years, adapting to environments ranging from deserts to forests. They communicate in several different ways, using sounds such as growls, whines, barks, and most famously, howls. A dingo's howl can travel long distances and helps these animals communicate with one another across the landscape. At night, their calls can echo through the bush, creating a sound that many people find both haunting and unforgettable. So what does a dingo actually sound like? Listen to this.